Hello mga kaleki! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to replace the main circuit breaker of emergency generator. But before we proceed, we need to isolate the tie breaker of emergency switchboard and main switchboard. Also, the ESP breaker inside the engine control room needs to isolate. And lastly, the emergency generator is put into manual mode and secure, so it will not start. Now everything is secured, so let's start. It is a good practice to measure the voltage before touching any circuit or bus bar, even we already shut down or isolate the power. In this video, we will replace the main breaker due to series of malfunctions and to avoid any issue to port authority. This circuit breaker is connecting the emergency diesel generator to emergency switchboard. This circuit breaker is connecting the emergency diesel generator to emergency switchboard. In case of blackout, it will automatically connect to supply power from our emergency generator. So at the end of this video, we are going to test by manual mode and automatic mode this newly installed circuit breaker. The existing circuit breaker is an old type and we cannot find any supplier of this kind. So they decided to replace it with Schneider brand. So we have different dimension but with same ampere rating or ampere capacity. But since this is different kind and brand, we need to do some modification on how to fix it inside the switchboard. We also need to do some modification in electrical connection or electrical wirings. The service engineer will install the circuit breaker and I am here to assist him.
No, it's okay. Okay. About 20 years. 20 years old. Yeah. That looks like M12, huh? Yeah, that one. Okay.
This is the Terasaki circuit breaker that we removed and this is the one that we are going to install, the Schneider brand. As you can see, have very different dimension and terminal connection but just same rating capacity.
Bayad na. So, ito yung full. Sa tita ko, nakasubscribe sa kanya, 6,000 ilang.
This is the original electrical drawing for this circuit breaker. All those red lines and red marks are the wiring modification. So you need to make sure the service engineer will give you a copy and file this on board for future reference. So now we're done in replacing the circuit breaker. After final checking and visual inspection, we are now preparing to test it with both in manual mode and automatic mode. After testing in manual mode, everything is fine, everything is working successfully and no sign of abnormalities. So now we are going to test the automatic mode.
Okay. So, automatic ah? Yeah, let me just see if it's charged. What I would like you to do is discharge it. When you start, it should charge up.
So, ito is to start the emergency generator, then we automatic.
Do your normal layout procedure.
Automatic ah? Automatic?
Yep.
Automatic.
Let me start again now. You have to have now here.
We need first to normalize the
Yes,
power and then we shut down the gas.
Let me shut.
So, I will normalize the breaker on the...
Yes, sir. Energize from.
15 minutes more daw sir, tapos na siya.
Okay. Yakin ko na namin sa service box.
Radio sir.
So, Ford, paki-on mo na yung breaker dyan, Ford. Okay, nakabula, okay, nakabula. On mo na, tapos wala na yung gagalawin. Kami nakapag-test kami. Nakapag-test sa normal sir, nakapag-test. We will put back first to normal and then we...
Yeah, do your normal procedure.
Oo na kaya?
Hello! Nakaw na! Paano ulit?
We double check up. Okay.
So as you observe, after we connect the tiebreaker, it will automatically shut down again. So there's something wrong in our circuit that we need to double check.
Because this one, having unlock like this. So meaning this is still energized. That's why
That's still.
still energized. That's why that's one. So
Where's the seal? You have a drawing? You have a schematic of the seal? There was nothing from looking at these drawings to say that they're very
this is the tiebreaker for that one. This one or not.
Yeah, I understand.
But of course, in any electrical problem, there's always a solution. And luckily, we made it and we put back to normal. And now again, for the second time, we will testing the emergency automatic mode.
As for the sequence.
Okay.
Naka-ready?
All of us.
Sanday na, sanday. Okay.
there you go. Happy?
Yes, one more.
Yeah.
We need to check the timing. So that if we
No problem.
just like that.
So after series of tests, everything is fine, everything is working in automatic mode. For our last testing, we will measure the time, how long it will connect to the bus bar, because as per SOLAS regulation, it should be less than 45 seconds after the blackout. Your backup supply will automatically connect. So now we will going to test how long it will take to connect to the bus bar.
Stop pa kanina.
So, Mr. Red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you please do some more testing tonight? Maybe 2 or 3 more times, just to be happy.
Maybe morning time. We don't like to
No problem.
not in the evening time. Maybe morning as well.
But I would like to know if there's any issues, so I can come tomorrow morning. Maybe 2 more times tonight. When you're happy, can you email Krishna or someone or your boss that it's in order, it's been tested, just so they know that's all working. Thank you very much for your help. This was a marathon, 4 hours, huh?
So now we're done. Thank you Kaleki for watching this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, thank you. This is your friend Leki Louie. Until next time.